Hi everyone, welcome to Guikhanliu Malingmei YouTube Channel. Today we will be trekking to Shirui Peak. So I decided to take you with two objectives in mind. First, this might be the first and last, we never know, so I decided to document. And the second, the Shirui festival is coming up in the end of the May, so I thought this might be helpful for people who are planning to trek. I will be sharing the journey, how I felt, the expectations versus reality here in, and also the nearby cafe to the Siroi Hills. So please stay connected. Before we start, I would like to take you back and give a little background. This is my third time in Ukhrul, but never got to visit the town non-trek the Siroi Hill. In the first year, we got to trek the Fangrai Hill. On the second, we were not able to do any. The third time, we just have half day, so we decided to do everything. And it's so difficult to convince our senior who will be taking around us because they thought it might be impossible to go to the market at 11 in the morning and then went back at 2:30 and then start trekking from there. But then we convinced them that we will try to stick with the time and we will do it because this is the only day to do both of the things. Get of Ukhrul town downwards, they have a vegetables, fruits, and all the local products, and in the upper they have a thrifting. We just spent few minutes, maybe what 30 minutes or 1 hour there, and then we went back
Welcome to the
to
Tangku Baptist
the
Churches
Tangku
Association
Baptist
Missing
Churches
Compound
Association
Ukhrul.
quarter. And
The campus. I like how they keep this flower pot, and we'll take you around Tangku Baptist Churches Association. And our father William Pettigrew is there, which I'm clicking the photo with him. This is the hall. Nice. These are our team. There's still more. Hello. For 1 week we haven't seen ourselves in the mirror. Yo. These are the flowers. I didn't expect this flower from this. We used to have similar one, but it doesn't bloom. Bethel House of God. Oh, we can click here also. With the eagle. Oh, I think people are having a good time.
You want to click pictures or just document?
The viewpoint is here.
since we have a very limited time, from here we directly went to the viewpoint and just get a look of the town since we cannot travel or we cannot visit every place.
So our ladies, will you be able to climb up till there?
Yes! Why not? If there is the will, there is the way.
See, there is one a little bit kind of throat, no? Yeah. Top of the mountain. That is throat. Big wooden throat. You have to reach there.
So let's go. Think the viewing is done. Yeah,
Oh, you can't see.
just take photo. Let's take photo.
Finally to the Ukhrul, not Ukhrul, Siroi Hill. So this is the entry. Oh, we'll go from here and we'll exit from there. So we have to leave the peak by 4 p.m. But trekking would be nice in the sunset, no? So using of drugs or alcohol is prohibited. So my friend is taking me for trekking. The first thing she told me is, don't ask, so who is he? So we are to reach there. The monkey tree is there, miss? Yes. So we'll be walking 800 steps. How crabra, how crabra.
Let's go.
To reach the first peak, we'll be walking 800 steps. Whew. How far we have reached? This is the place where Miss Shirui Festival, Shirui contest and all are conducted. And still have more to go. Woo. We almost reached the top. Another steps here, and yet another. 2,110 meter above sea level, 586 of 1039 steps. So we still have another 45% to go up. We are yet to reach first peak of Phang Rai.
How is it?
Nice, nice.
Nice.
Yeah, it's worth this apple face.
What the apple? The high fall.
Yeah.
Around 2:30, we reach at the place where we have to start trekking. Actually, we have to went back to where we stay and come with preparing with food, at least with water, and started to trek. But then we are told that we can directly start trekking ahead while just coming back from the market. So we are not ready. Like we were so into Singju, so we bought Singju, but we don't have water. Siroi Peak, they says that it took around 3 hours to reach, but we just decided to go to the first peak only. We thought which we might took us around maybe 30 to 1 hour, depends on how we walk. So yeah,
We
that's the
are
first
almost
thing.
at the first peak of Shirui. This is the cross, the wooden cross at the peak of Shirui, which will not be going today. So let me just look down.
Okay, okay.
So the lily will just bloom from anywhere here.
Not here, but then we will not find it here, but then.
In the upright. Okay. Not so strong team. At least someone can study about this tree and get a doctorate. The structure of the tree is so unique. See? They didn't grow too high, but then looks so pretty.
We'll go to the jungle, we can click some good pictures of the jungle there.
Oh, jungle. Okay, finally we'll be diving into the jungle after reaching the top of the mountain. The unique thing about this mountain and all is they don't have much big tree in some of the area, Only the grass is growing. What? Chameleon?
Lots of chameleon.
Typical chapter 34 verse 18.
We cross
Well, go.
after walking through a small kind of jungle, I should say, we can see more trees. We have reached that first peak, which is called a monkey tree. That tree was called monkey tree. The expectation versus reality is that we thought that this tree will be a very huge tree kind of thing, and we thought like there will be other lot of tree, but we just have that one tree and a resting place, so we are a little bit disappointed, I mean not reaching to what we expect. And as we can see, all most of the place were just slope. We thought that we can walk till the peak, so we started our journey. And I should say, by the grace of God, even though this was too early to start blooming, we could see two Shirui lily in the way. Yeah, after saying this, all our tiredness just vanished away. We are too happy. We took videos and pictures
The
with
Shirui
it.
lily, the famous Shirui lily, which bloom only on the hill of Shirui. Shirui, we're almost reaching the Shirui peak. We planned just to go till the first peak, but then it was quite early. But then we finally found some lily back there, like somewhere there, and we're happy to say that there is another lily. So let's go up and see. So it's still yet full season to bloom. Oh, this is the lily. The hill of Shirui. It's so windy, and there are some trees over here, and the flower is right there. So I will show you around. If there is anyone who is planning to trek this Shirui festival, which will be held very soon in the coming months. So we're about to reach the top, so this is how the road is to reach the top. We'll be almost reaching. The hardest was the starting point where we have to climb that 1086 something steps. After that it was like a slope, so it's not that hard to go again, and it's very windy, so we can get more sweat. So this is about to bloom, so there are quite more. Oh, I think it will bloom more than one flower in just one plant. I thought it's just one, huh? Just also there, nah? Oh, there are a lot just in one plant. When they start blooming, I think this is different one. Si manabra, miss. Si manabra. Oh, it bloomed the most, na? Kasi dito nga male. So we can see the cross, white cross there, but it seems that we have to go down and then come out. Chihuira.
Camping site.
Yeah, someone has recently, I think, came.
What is this? They have planted something.
Yeah. So whichever place they are putting the stick, either they have planted something or the lily is growing.
So we are soon reaching the peak, and this is how my friend is walking. Actually, I forced her to join me. It's her third or fourth time already, but then I insist her to join me.
Wonderful
So we
creation of
have
God.
reached the top
There's
of
an older kid.
the mountain. We have reached the peak, and this is the tower at the peak. It's so windy that I could not walk up to the top. It felt so scary in reality. So we took out our Singju, Mimi, and decided to start eating. And the sun is almost setting, and we started to feel cold. We started walking at the very bright sunlight. Now we are feeling cold, so I suggest you that don't just think for the starting. You should always carry a jacket if you are planning to trek Shirui Peak. This is a must, which I have never thought of it.
Oh no, Mimi governor do.
So funny. I will match one first. What? Sorry, sir, please watch the savior from the trekking because he carry 1 liter of water. We are too much into this, so we don't really remember to carry water. So, sir, this is the top of the Shirui Hill. So, this side is Burma. Is that what it means? Mapum. Mapum Chingsui. So, they were saying that when we go to this top, in winter we will see that ship in the Chidwin River. So, yeah. So hopefully we'll be able to trek on winter also one fine day. Decorative stone. This drop is a life-saving in the hill of Shirui, where we didn't bring water. The view from top of the mountain of Shirui Hill. Woo! See, some of our team are up there. So basically, so if we travel down here, we'll reach to Phangrai Hill again, but we are not allowed to pass through from here, so we have to go back. We'll just track it back. Nice.
So we have reached the top, we ate, and we are on our way back. We're so grateful to God for this opportunity and also for the strain to reach the top. Yeah, while coming back, the sun is almost setting, so we couldn't click much photos and videos and document it. We were just coming back the same way, and yeah, this is the stone that found on our way. It's just like a piece of broken glasses. It's glittering.
I don't know how to say. Now it's sunset. We are witnessing sunset at the hill of Ukhrul. It's so pretty. Someone is missing someone here, so clicking and sending.
So that is much of the trekking. We didn't got to click much.
So
We just
that is the Ukhrul.
try to reach as soon as
Want to go
possible,
for it?
as we were feeling so cold too
Long way to
with the
go.
wind. And I will also take you around where we
Doing?
stay.
Cleaning up all this tire.
My cleaning up all this tire. This is the dorm for the girls, already packed up. opposite to it is for the boys as of now, and then upward is a hall, so you can use for the meeting, you know. All the washrooms and toilets are attached here. If you walk back, we still have another room which we use for meetings and all. Also another extra because, but there are 2 rooms for the meeting, so this could be a perfect meeting hall. We already take out all our setting, and this is the ground, so that's the road. From there we'll just get in. This is the campus. It says that by the Shirui festival all this ground will be filled with the campers in their own camp. So yeah, this is the campus. This small cottage, 1, 2, 3, and then these are the those are the kitchens. This small cottage can be for some VIP special person or even, yeah, and also another washroom there. It looks more pretty in spring. Is it spring? Is it winter? When the cherry blossom, yeah. So that's the step 2. And the water is unlimited out here. And there are some fish also there. So that's it.
One of you for for the dedication and active participation and plus a thoughtful insight for this week-long annual meeting.
Here it is. That was the foothill of Phang Rai. Phang Rai is here. The Shirui peak will be there.
And the review meeting 2025 has come to an end. So everyone has left. And now the place are empty. So see you soon next year. Signing off.